Alright, so here we have the Wyze camera version 3. It's an indoor and outdoor cam. On the box, it says it's a full 1080p HD camera. It's weather resistant, has two-way audible, 24/7 recording, free cloud storage for 12-second videos, motion and sound detection, person detection, full-length motion recording, color, night vision. Also Google and Alexa capable, and it's wired. Okay, we get a quick start guide. Cool. Tells you how to set up the camera. Here we have our camera. We get a USB charging cable, the actual charging box itself, wall mount if you need it. You get a metal plate and the sticky part for it to mount it if you want, and your actual camera. Camera comes with a swivel, so if you have it mounted up, you can just swivel it whichever way you want. For your SD card, that's your setup button. This is where you plug in your cable. Okay, so first thing you need to do is get the Wyze app, wait for it to install, and we'll be off. You can go and open it. If this is your first time using the Wyze app, you need to create an account. Okay, after you're finished doing all that, you just press finished. So we're going to go to new device. We're going to select which camera we have. We have the version 3. Now we have to plug it into an outlet. Okay. The light is flashing now, so now we can go to next. We're going to pull away the base, and we're going to hit the setup button on the camera itself.
Ready to connect.
Okay, I heard ready to connect, so I click it on the app. Next. Allow your location. Okay.
Ready to connect.
Allow. Now I have to connect it to my Wi-Fi. Okay, so now we have to scan our device, our QR code with our camera. So make sure you take off your film on your camera and scan the QR code with it. So I had an issue with mine. I forgot that this camera cannot connect to a 5 GHz network. So make sure you connect your camera to a 2 GHz network.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Third QR code scan.
Setup completed.
And the setup's completed. So we're done now. You can now name your network or your camera whatever you want. I'm just gonna put it backyard cam. That's fine. And it tells you you can get a free 2 weeks of the Cam Plus. Okay. Now that you're done through that, you're going to want to upgrade your camera so it's on the latest firmware. Update. With the updates complete, you can see that you can see me. What's up, guys? And it tells you that you can hold the speak button or mute it if you'd like to. And it record your video to your mobile device. Or you can view it in view videos in your albums. What's up, guys? So this is what it looks like. Also make it full screen right here. So there I am. It's detecting my face, so you can see the little green box on the camera itself. Keeps an eye on me, so I can't be sneaky. And I hide. Back up. Oh, it lost me for a second there, but it's pretty snappy for a $20 camera. It's like, what? It's like, I'm watching you. So we can go back on that. And then here is a, oh well, I will do the speech one later when I'm not so close to the camera, but I can also take a photo. And allow it. And it took a photo of me right now. Take another photo. Let's see. Ah, there we go. That's cool.
This is what it sounds like when you have to speak through your Wyze camera when you're talking to somebody. It tell the directions, or don't do that, or if you're talking to your pet or something too. I'm not sure how this will sound. This will be my first time hearing it, and hopefully it sounds pretty good. So let's find out.
No windows, lights are currently on. I'm going to go ahead and shut that off. And all you'll see is the light from my phone, but I'm going to hide that behind my back. And yeah, it's black in here, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Okay, just turn to night mode. It looks like it's still changing. And it turned on. And there you see it. I can't see the hand in front of my face. That's the light. The only light that's in here is the one that's comes from the Wyze Cam. Just the infrared.
On this test, I'm checking to see how long it takes the Wyze camera to switch from night vision to daytime. It takes about 11 seconds to switch. Now, I don't think this will be a problem outside because normally the sun is not instant. And as you can still see myself and the lights on. It's just still in that night vision instead of color. The night vision works really good. It was super dark outside. As you can see, I almost fell. You do get a lot of pixelization, but it works well if you want color. The camera makes it look like it was daylight, like there was like a big moon out or something, but it was really dark. In the back, you can see like the neighbor's house lights on. Those show up really bright and they're not too great with the image, but everywhere else that's dark, it looks good. I then tested the light with the porch light on to see if I would get that same effect that we had with the neighbors' houses, but it looks fine with the porch light on. I actually like how it makes the sky look even more blue with the porch light on. I think that's pretty cool.
Okay, so this is the test for outside. Right now, you're currently under the patio. I'm going to walk over there and see if you guys can see me. And yeah, this is how the microphone sounds outside. It's a windy day today and it's cold. But yeah, so I'm going to go over there. Be back.
As you can see, the motion detection has lost me. It's actually concentrating on that curtain that's moving on the patio. I'm not sure if the actual motion detection would have picked me up from that far back, but it was still a good test to do. As I get closer, the motion detection does see me, and it also sees the dogs. I checked out the camera's time-lapse features, and they're actually pretty cool. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is go to your Wyze camera app, make sure you have an SD card installed in your camera. You press more with the 3 little dots, and then you select time-lapse. It gives you the option when you want to start, so what day you want to start it, at what time, and then what day you want to end it, at what time, and what intervals you want to set. Something I forgot to do when I was doing the time-lapse was turning off that motion detection. To do that, you go to More, select Motion Tagging, and turn that off, and then it won't show up in your time-lapse. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions about the camera, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. My name's Em with SpecNReviewz, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye!